Yo, what's up? Wale here from Geek10G, and I'm unboxing Xiaomi Mi Max 2 in a short video. I know I'm late to the party and this phone has been in the market for like 6 months. I'm just unboxing it. Notwithstanding, it's still worth buying, and for the price, this phone has a lot to offer. Let's cut to the chase and tear this open. Well, I don't know how this got here, but it's sure gonna come in handy. Here is the phone, and I have to warn you, if you're buying this phone isn't just big, it's huge. It's the biggest phone I've held in a long time, and it almost feels like a tablet. A 6.44-inch display on a smartphone is an overkill. Anyway, it isn't for everybody. It's only for those who love big phones. But I'll set it aside first to see what else we have here. A SIM ejector tool, a USB Type-C cable, and a 2.5 amps adapter. That's all. Sorry, no earphones as usual. You would expect this huge phone to be as heavy as a wet brick, but it's not so bad. It weighs only 211 grams. To put that in perspective, the iPhone 8 Plus weighs 202 grams. It's got a metallic build with a unibody design. Xiaomi Mi Max 2 has pretty good technical specifications. 4GB of random access memory, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 chipset clocked at 2.0 GHz, a 5300 mAh battery, a 12MP array camera with Sony IMX386 sensor, a 1080p LCD display, and yeah, a fingerprint sensor at the back. At the bottom is a USB Type-C charging port, and this supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. There's a lot to talk about when the full review goes live next week. In the meantime, you can buy it on GearBest for $248, but I've got a coupon that takes 9% off. You can get it for just $226. The link and the coupon code is in the video description. If you've never bought from GearBest before, I've got you covered as well. There's a link to a guide on our website that explains in details how to buy gadgets from GearBest. By next week, the full review of the Mi Max 2 is going to be published, and I'll see you then. Peace.